It's been from the very beginning of my experience with CIPC since I think 2010 or 11 or something.
Fascinating for me is the development of the IP ecosystem in India and learning about the different facets of it from the experts here, both from the business side and from the legal side.
I'm from Nepal. My experience is excellent and it is fantastic.
Very good speakers, very good topics, which are burning topics in intellectual property law.
One word for 15th GIPC.
Fabulous, enriching, energetic,
Amazing. Networking.